Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear Naga, my warm greetings prior to the schedule because we are having our slides. I'm glad that you guys are here. So I'm graduates, parents, family and friends of the graduates, the distinguished guests here today, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace and blessings and Allah be upon each and every one of you. I am honored and privileged to be speaking to you guys this evening. Thank you so much. My name is Hassan Hussain, but most of you in the Somali community call me by Malam Hassan. Simply because you know that I'm a school teacher and others know my involvement in the teaching and implementation of the Islamic school of the weekend of the month. So hence, I'm Hassan on both sides. So I'm very grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for giving me a taste of both worlds. Now, switching moving on, our first line to congratulate the organizers and the members of the Somali Student Association of Greater Kansas City who have been tirelessly working and weaving in the last couple of months in organizing this beautiful event today. Let us give them a round of applause, please. Now, congratulations to the class of 2017. You all look beautiful and amazing today. We are celebrating your achievement today, and I'm honored to have had some of you in my classroom, and some of you in the same building where I'm working at. This celebration and joyous gathering belongs to you. You have successfully reached the finish line of a race that required perseverance and diligent work. Congratulations again. However, let this stage not be the ending of the finishing of your ambitions in life. Use this platform to aim, achieve, and dream big, as the future belongs to those who believe in the field of their dreams. I will wholeheartedly encourage you to continue with the research and enroll in college. However, I will warn you, college life is not easy. They say if you want to go into alliance today, you should be ready with the necessary weapons and equipment in order to protect yourself from the fulfilling danger. The same applies in college. And that's why the statistics show us that we only have 23% of the U.S. population are college educated. But I believe you guys can be one of those 23%. There's nothing in life that cannot be achieved or accomplished. It all needs determination, perseverance, patience, vision, and both sides will nature, and often will make it. You all have the potential to succeed despite the obstacles of life. But you guys all can get the help you need. We are all here for you. Personally, as an educator, you can always access me. You can call me, or we can have a personal talk, and I'll make sure I'll guide you through in getting started in college. Now, 2 years from now, you'll be more disappointed by the things want to help me. I navigated the process of applying for college, of applying for financial aid, of deciding what my career is going to be when I have no idea what I want to do in life, and had to do all that by myself. I changed my major 3 times until I finally landed education. I'm now certified in mathematics teacher, certified in 5th grade to 12th grade. Now, saying thumbs down to the Somali group who are here before me, because they did not provide the help I needed back then. So I don't want you guys to go through the same thing I went through. The likes of me will always be there to help you navigate the college process. If you do not want to do a 4-year college, that is fine. Because today, the job market is getting tougher, where most jobs require some sort of post-high school education. There are many options in education that you can pursue. But please, let this not be the top point. But please let this not be the top point for your education. Also, the last thing I want to say is, I expect you guys to join the Somali Student Association, work with them, and be part of the contributing members. So the Somali